How to make flower wire rings. We need 2 orange-colored pipe wires and 1 green. We need scissors and half beads with a diameter of 6 millimeters and glue gun. First, we fold it in the middle and cut it. After cutting it into 4 pieces, the green wire is folded in the middle. Fold the 4 pieces of orange wire and then insert the green wire. That's what we'll use to tie it. When it's tied, just twist it until it's tight. Separate the orange wire. Then we need to fold the end of the wire and twist it around until the end. You can put a glue gun on it to make it strong if you plan to do business with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Do the other side as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, I hope to see you in the next videos. You can turn it into a business, small investment. You will earn a lot from it. You just need patience and hard work and strategies in these business. Now it looks like this. Now you will turn the green wire around your index finger, the size of your finger, and the same on the other side. When finished, turn it around until it is tight. Now we will make it a leaf. Then just press it and open it a bit so it looks like a leaf. Just put half beads in the middle. If you want to see other videos and learn tutorials, I have many in my playlist you can watch. Finish. Oh, isn't it beautiful? It can be for girls, I'm sure they will like it. Can be a gift, souvenir, or giveaway at parties. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in the next videos.
Thanks for watching.